rascacielos bien conservados en Friguiraire.
Americano, tiene el español gusano, viva el rodillo, desde la pueblo con roderío, por el Virginia y Michigan, y mi francesa que le llama, recibido, americano con alegría, sobre mi madre, sobre mi cerebro y mi tía.
Vecinos de Plencia, yo soy vuestro alcalde y como alcalde vuestro que soy, os debo una explicación y esa explicación os la voy a dar, porque como alcalde vuestro que...
Thank you very much for your warm welcome. That reminds me of my childhood when we had a tiny mouse which was called Stuart. That son of a bitch always ate all the meatballs Aunt Mildred prepared to us.
Yes.
Every summer we went to Aunt Mildred's and that woman was nasty. I remember one day that we caught her in the bedroom with that postman called Carl. And she was acting like a monkey or something. When Uncle Bill came from fishing, apparently he didn't like watching her acting like a monkey. So we didn't see that man again. Shortly after, we moved. And I remember what day. Yes. That I wake up and our house was attached to some balloons, and that's how we arrived in Newfoundland, to a town called Placentia, also known as the Pearl of the Atlantic, but that's another story. Time, Mama decided that we should move to Stratford, and when I was living in Stratford, such a weird town it was, I realized that no one wore pants. I remember that little woman, Amelia Verastori, which was owning a lingerie shop, but due to the lack of customers, the shop ran out of business and she had to open an ice cream shop. I really like ice cream. I wish there were more flavors, like sausage, chorizo, paella, or whatever. And, by the way, that ice cream shop from Amelia Verastori became quite famous worldwide. And that's all I have to say about my life.
Americano, viva el rodillo, desde la pueblo con